I'm about to show you one of the coolest things I've ever built, and the amazing part is it only took me 30 minutes, all using AI and no code. And even better, it's something you can use right now to boost your sales and revenue almost instantly. But first, here's some amazing stats. So this is what I've built. On the left, you can see a sign-up box. This is where you're collecting emails. I'm collecting emails via sign-up, but it could be via social media. However, you're currently collecting emails. Now, as soon as they hit subscribe in the middle box, OmniSend is creating an automation where it's sending them a personalized email, which you can see over on the right. When they click on that email, it dynamically generates a fully personalized web page for them. And the web page can be personalized to just their name, like I've done in this demo, but it can also be personalized to the product they've bought or the location they're in. So just to recap what is actually happening here, there are just 3 steps in the process. There is an email sign-up box, which I actually created using Bolt as well. There is a link in the description if you want to check out how I built that beautiful landing page for my signups with that cool confetti. But that's step 1. Step 2, when somebody subscribes to my email list, that goes into OmniSend. OmniSend is where I handle all my emails and I manage them and I create my emails, I design my emails and I personalize my emails. And I've also set up an automation in OmniSend that will send them a welcome email as soon as they sign up. And then step 3, they are taken once they click on a link in OmniSend to a fully personalized website. Just to show you how this is working, it's all done through URL parameters. And the beauty of building it in a tool like Bolt or Lovable is that makes that whole process incredibly simple. You can just tell the AI what to do. So for example, up here you can see there's my website address and first name is John, product equals planner, and the page automatically adapts because of the parameters up here. So for example, if I want to change the name up here, I can test this out. Let's put in Mary, change the name and refresh it. There we go. Different person, just like that. And we can also change the product. Let's change the product to a smartwatch. So hopefully you can see how this, so cool. Hopefully you can see how this is working. It's all done through URL parameters, but the beauty is we can put these links and generate these links dynamically in OmniSend and then send our customers to these fully personalized pages. Let's just do one more up here so you can see this working again. Let's change this to Amy and let's change this to the Eco. There we go. Fully personalized pages just like that. And here is the exact prompt that I used when I was prompting the AI builder, in this case Bolt, but you could use this in Lovable or whatever tool you're using. So I said, create a high converting story brand style landing page. Now story brand, if you don't know about it, is worth investigating. It is basically a framework to create really great landing pages. It's fantastic, go and check it out. Landing page designed for dynamic personalization using URL parameters. The page should, and then it goes on, display a large hero header that includes the person's first name pulled from a URL parameter, e.g. question mark first name equals John. And you can read on, but basically I got ChatGPT to write me this prompt. Then I took this prompt and put it into Bolt. So all I did is I took that prompt and I went to Bolt and I just simply put it in the box here and then I clicked go. And then Bolt took that prompt and it generated me my personal landing pages all dynamically. It's like magic. It's kind of incredible. I had to do a few little reprompts and you can see over on the left of your screen now, you can actually go back and reprompt it to make a few little tweaks. But essentially it did it in about 1 or 2 hits. If you want to embed this on your WordPress website, which is how I've done it, there are just 2 simple steps. First, come to the top right and click on deploy. That's going to publish your project to a public URL. Now what you're going to do is you're going to ask the AI to give you the embed code so you can embed this on your WordPress website. So you just ask it. There we go. There's the iframe. Now we're going to copy that code and then simply add the HTML block. So I'm using the shortcut /HTML and you're just going to paste that code into that page that you've created. And here we go. Here's my base design that's completely finished and ready to receive that personalized information from OmniSend. Because in OmniSend, it has the personalized link. And when they come to this web page, it dynamically changes. It's like magic. You may need to do a little bit of tweaking on your own website, depending on the theme you're using. but I've created a beginner step-by-step tutorial downloadable as a PDF, which is in the description if you want to go and grab that. And in Omnisend, this is how we set up the personalization. So we're going to click on a button here. This is the button where my end users click on it. It's going to take them to their personalized page on my website. And obviously my design isn't brilliant, but you get the idea. You can design this how you like in Omnisend. Then across here in the top right, you'll see it says link to. Now the first bit is just going to be your website address. So this is my website here, jamiemarsden.co.uk, but that's going to be your website address. And you need the HTTPS. Then after that is just the page where your app is embedded. The thing you created in Bolt New or Lovable, that's where you're going to embed it, which I showed you on a previous step. Then after that, we've got this bit here, let me make this bigger for you. We've got F name equals, that's really important. And then after the equals, this is where we're going to bring in the dynamic content. So in Omnisend, we just need to click on these three little dots here. And then here you can see first name, and that's just a variable. That means when this is sent, it's going to bring in the first name of that person. And also when they click on it, it's going to send them to their personalized web page. Very cool. And that's it. That's the whole process. And you get these beautiful personalized web pages, which will increase your revenue, hopefully. So I hope that's really useful. If you want to try this out for real, I've actually created a demo site. You can see on your screen now. Go to that web link and try it out, and it's going to build you a personalized website. You can experience it for yourselves. So I hope you found that one really, really useful. If you did, if you can hit the like button, it would be amazing, because it does make a huge, huge difference in terms of how many people get to see this video. It really, really does. So thank you if you can hit that like button. And also, every time you do hit that like button, our cats get a little treat. If you want to see more videos like this where I explore all that's happening in AI and the intersection of that with WordPress, hit that subscribe button and you'll be notified every time I release a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Keep well, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.